Welcome to MAPOG Route Compass. Today we will explore how this powerful tool, including its mobile application, can revolutionize navigation and planning for travelers and military operation alike. At the heart of the route compass lies the ability to create detailed route maps, calculate precise bearings, angle, and measure distances. This tool not only streamlines navigation but also enhances situational awareness with the inclusion of relevant icons, making it an indispensable asset in various domains. Let's take a quick look at the result. Here is a comprehensive route map, complete with bearing angles and strategically placed icons. These holistic views provide the user with a quick and efficient way to understand their surroundings and plan their routes effectively. The application of route compass spans across multiple industries, from aiding military operation in navigating complex terrain to assigning travelers to planning their journeys, and the versatility of this tool is truly remarkable. Whether the optimizing supply chain or enhance the tourism experience, route compass adapted to diverse domain with ease. Now let's dive into the practical side. I will demonstrate how to seamlessly connect two cities using route compass. Follow those simple steps to harness the full potential of this tool. Step 1. Create your route map by adding waypoints for each station or location of interest. Click on the Add Point option. After the waypoint plotted successfully, click on the Save option. Now step 3. Once your map is ready, you can see your waypoints are connecting with routes. This step allows you to establish the path that travelers and military personnel will follow. Step 4. Utilize the tool to automatically calculate precise bearing angle for each segment of your defined routes. This information is crucial for navigating and orientation along the journey. And step 5. Enhance your map usability by adding icon and relevant station or point of interest. Whether it is a military base or a tourist attraction or a key checkpoint, those icons provide valuable context. You can also provide the text, label color, font size, and click on the Save option. Also add some icons. You can also choose the other's icon and click on the Save option. Now the final step. Take a moment to review your route map, ensuring that the waypoints, routes, bearing and icons are accurately represented. Once you're satisfied with your route map, export it to your preference format. You can also use the CSV file format. In conclusion, the route compass tool in MAPOG is a game changer, providing a comprehensive solution for route planning, navigation and spatial analysis. Its impact spans across various industries, offering users a powerful way to make informative decisions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of MAPOG's route compass.